ẹ̀yin ọmọ nàìjíríà ẹ wá gbọ́ ọ ọmọ ológun orílẹ̀‐èdè nàìjíríà ó ti tú àṣírí o ohun tó ṣókùnkùn lójú gbogbo ọmọ nàìjíríà pátápátá ọmọ ológun ìmọ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní tú ẹ̀yin ọmọ nàìjíríà nǹkan ń bẹ ọ̀rọ̀ kúnnú fọ́nrán yìí ẹ wá gbọ́ ẹ máa pín lógúnlógún ẹ máa pín lọ́gbọ̀nlọ́gbọ̀n àṣé èèyàn ló wà nídìí ọ̀rọ̀ tóró fi ń ké ló sọ̀rọ̀ nípa àwọn bandits àwọn fúlàní terrorists tó ń pa gbogbo àwọn èèyàn kiri ó ní gbogbo ẹ̀ pátá làwọn mọ̀ àtàwọn tó wà ń díẹ̀ ẹ wá gbọ́n tó sọ ẹ máa share fọ́nrán yìí ẹ máa share rẹ̀ lógúnlógún ẹ máa share rẹ̀ lọ́gbọ̀nlọ́gbọ̀n ẹ wá gbọ́n tí ọmọ ológun yìí sọ o lórí ètò Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà.
You see all this problem? Mr. Bola Tinubu, you are the cause of it. You caused this problem. You give the... When we go to the bar, we saw the Boko Haram boys face to face, but we are waiting order from the army headquarters. What the fuck? This is bullshit. So you Tinubu have to wake up. If you like, you better wake up from sleep you are doing, because we are ready to quench the fire. You give us permission to fetch out those useless Boko Haram who claiming Islam, claiming Muslim. By now it's a story. But he fucked up. We don't need any American. We don't need any other country. Nigeria, we are the highest and powerful soldiers in Africa and the whole world. So I am giving you an advice, Mr. President, that you give me the power to enter anywhere where those banditries, those IPOPs, those Boko Haram, ISWAP, whatsoever, I am ready. Me with my boys, I just want a permission. I can go to bush, all these bushes, and clear their out, bring back those who were kidnapped in those areas. Is that very, very clear? City, you give the permission for this man, the Trump, the president of America, to come and start threatening you. I'm telling you, you are the cause. Because if the first time you give us order, so that's what make this Trump have the mouth to come out and say he wants to come to Nigeria and fight against Islam. Okay.